Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Deepseek password. So if you also want to change Deepseek password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Deepseek application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Deepseek application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So when you're logged into your account, there is no option for changing the password of Deepseek. If you really want to change the Deepseek password, for that, you'll have to follow the same steps as recovering the password. For that, first of all, log out of your account. Simply tap on the two lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now at bottom, you'll be able to see your profile. Simply tap on that. Now after that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for logout. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll have to confirm your logout. Simply tap on the logout option that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged out of your account. Now from here, what you have to do is recover your password. For that, simply tap on the forgot password option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to reset the password. What you have to do is enter your email address over here and a verification code will be sent to your email address. So simply tap on the email address field. Now enter your email address over here. Now after you enter the email address, what you have to do is tap on the option send code that you can see on the screen. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email address. All you have to do is open Gmail. Simply open the Gmail application. You can see over here, Deepseek has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the Deepseek application. Now over here, what you have to do is enter that code. Now after you enter the code, simply tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is enter your new password and confirm the new password over here. Simply enter your new password. After that, confirm your new password, enter the new password again. Now after entering the password 2 times, simply tap on the reset password option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, your password will be changed. Now you can log into your account with a new password. Simply log into your account. Simply enter the credentials, tap on the login option. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account using your new password. So that is how you change password on Deepseek. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.